Here are some highlights from the October issue of Cleaner magazine. He never planned on a plumbing career, but now Tim Roush runs an award-winning multi-million-dollar shop built on teamwork, smart marketing, and 900-plus five-star reviews. The secret? A people-first approach that keeps customers and employees for the long haul. From one septic truck to a full-blown wastewater outfit, Austin's pumping service proves smart equipment and diversifying your work keeps you rolling. Check out how this crew turned into the go-to team for everything wastewater. Are you still running jobs off sticky notes and whiteboards? See how Sunlight Services ditched the chaos, streamlined dispatch, and grew into a $1.8 million powerhouse thanks to modern software. Wet weather kills visibility, footing, and morale. The right rain gear brings back control, safety, and efficiency. Find out what separates gear that just works from gear that works for you. New leaders often blow it by fixing what isn't broken. Find out the smarter way to take charge, win over crews, and make changes that actually stick. From CIPP to manhole rehab, lateral repair to inspection systems. If it keeps pipelines flowing, you'll find it in the 2025 Pipeline Repair and Rehabilitation Directory. Next month, the biggest names in utility and on-site wastewater solutions will hit Louisville. Flip through this preview for a first look at the products that will be on display. Trenchless tech is moving fast, so don't get left behind. The 2026 NASTT No Dig Show in Palm Springs is where the industry's future takes shape. From subcompact vacs to high-tech UV curing systems, these are the tools reshaping the pipeline repair world. See them in the product focus on page 54. No-dig solutions, fast cures, big results. Explore 4 real-world projects where crews tackled everything from landscape backyards to 36-inch municipal trunk lines. For fast spot jobs and one-person crews, General's new and improved JM1000X mini jet packs serious jetting muscle into a 23-pound case. All this and more is in the latest issue of Cleaner, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See you next month.